Hi, to fix black screen on your Automagic 7 Lite. As a first step, if you haven't used your phone for a long period of time, you can try to charge it at least for 30 minutes. For that, take your usual USB-C charging cable, plug it in a power source, and the other end plug in your phone, so you'll see this charging animation. Now, after that, if it suddenly turned black, then we can try to reset the phone. For that, you would need to press and hold just the power button, or if in your case power button is set for Google Assistant, then you can hold power and volume down buttons for about 10 seconds. And after that, you should see this power off menu on the screen. And from here, just tap restart and then touch again to actually restart the phone. The next thing we need to do is press and hold power button and turn off the phone. So let's just wait for power off menu to appear on the screen and simply choose to power off the phone. And now we need to actually enter recovery mode. So hold power and volume up buttons at the same time till you feel a vibration. So let's hold those two buttons together and release. Now we are just waiting till the phone will enter recovery mode and we'll be able to reboot it. And here it is, recovery mode. So from here you need to choose restart, and for that just press power button and your phone would be restarted. If this advice didn't help, then you need to enter this recovery mode again after restart, but from the menu choose clear data option by pressing volume down button, because with the help of volume up or down buttons you can scroll through this menu. But please note that this will delete all of your phone's data. Basically, you will reset it to factory default and you need to set up this device again. So if you are willing to try this out, tap clear data and confirm by pressing power button. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.